Hello students. Monophyletic group, also known as phylogenetics, which is a clade or a natural group. It is a group by grouping of organisms that are monophyletic. That is, the organism composed of a common ancestor and all its lineal descended on a phylogenetic tree. On the other hand, a paraphyletic group is a group of any size and systematic rank that originated from a single common ancestor but does not contain all descended from this ancestor, which is just opposite of that monophyletic tree. The ancestral species of this group, that is a para